Hey, what's going on, everybody? On YouTube, Steve here, Raiken Profit. I'm sitting in my car. It's about 9:41 right now. I think you can see that. And I'm sitting in the car at the gym, and I am procrastinating, okay? I want to make this video, and I want to share this moment with you because it's moments like this that define us. Now, what moment am I talking about? It's the moment of, do I make the right decision, which is hard, or do I make the easy decision, right? Which is never gonna pay off for me. So as I drove to the gym this morning, I was playing out a million excuses in my head to why I didn't have to go to the gym. You know, I'm tired, I don't feel good. Oh, maybe you're getting sick, maybe you're coming down with something. You can go later on when you feel better. You know, you don't have an appointment today with a personal trainer. No one's gonna know that you didn't show up. All this BS is playing out in my head. And I wanted to just put the camera on for this because these are the battles that we all face on our road to success. Now, this example has to do with, you know, my fitness goals and my health goals. But this could also, you know, play out for you in terms of your business. You know, being successful is all about our thoughts, which then lead to our decisions and our actions, which will lead to our results. And our mind is constantly always trying to find the easy way out. And the easy way out is never going to bring success to us. You know, being successful is about doing the right things at the right time in every moment, each and every day. Today is what matters. And as I drove to the gym and all these excuses played out in my head, in the past what I would do is I would play out, I'd play with these ideas and I'd say, yeah, you know, I am tired. I don't feel good. No one's gonna know this and that. Oh, I'll go later. But now I've recognized that we as an individual aren't defined by the thoughts that go on in our mind, okay? Our mind is millions of years old, and it's always trying to protect us from things that really don't even exist. There's a bunch of BS playing out in our head, and I just want to let you know, like, if you're trying to lose weight, or you're trying to get fit, or maybe you're trying to add muscle or start a business, or maybe you're struggling or you're being challenged with something, or maybe you even see somebody who's massively successful and you think it's easy for them. I can tell you right now, guys, these battles, they play out in all of our minds. And one tip of advice I'd like to give you is when these thoughts are coming in your mind, don't take them at face value, okay? Sometimes, like, one thing that I've been doing right now is, well, I'm just talking to you right now. It's therapeutic. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, then I guess you can't do that, but talk to yourself. Take 4 or 5 minutes before you make a decision and meditate on it. Think about it. Like, I just been sitting in my car, and instead of just reacting and being like, oh, I'm just gonna go to Starbucks and ignore my workout, I drove to the gym and I'm sitting down here and I'm just talking it through and I'm thinking about it. And one thing that I'm thinking about is, listen, I know that when I wake up tomorrow, if I don't do what I need to do today, which is go to the gym, I'm gonna feel regret. I'm gonna feel bad. It's gonna spiral out of control. I'm gonna feel sluggish. Maybe I'll feel a little bloated. I'm not gonna reach my goals. And reaching my goals is more than just me reaching my goals. It's about inspiring people, being a role model, getting fit, getting healthy, getting in shape. That's gonna give me more energy to build my business. It's gonna give me more energy and passion to share my message with you guys regarding entrepreneurship and making money online and health and fitness. If I don't get fit and if I don't get healthy, there could be somebody out there who I don't inspire, and they could die prematurely because they didn't lose the 30 pounds. Like, these are crazy things that I'm thinking about, but you gotta play tricks on your mind. Your mind is constantly trying to F you over. I can promise you that. Your mind is not out to do what you really truly want to accomplish. It's out to protect itself from millions of years of wiring. Bunch of BS. So as I drive to the gym right now and I think about this and I'm sitting here talking to you, I'm getting pissed off at myself because our mind, and I'm not getting pissed off at myself, but my mind, because it's always trying to play tricks on you. Do not let it play tricks on you, okay? I'm gonna go into the gym right now and I'm gonna crush it. Why? Because I wanna be successful. I want to inspire people. I wanna have the energy. I wanna be fit. I wanna live a long life. I wanna inspire. I wanna be a role model. So just take this moment and apply it to your life. This is what I do. I am facing a moment right now, a moment of decision that can define where I'm gonna be 6 months, 12 months, 18 months down the road. Because you wanna know what? You guys are gonna turn my YouTube video on in 18 months. You're gonna say, holy crap, this guy got jacked. He got fit. He got healthy. How did he do it? I'll tell you how I did it. I made the right decision every single day. Even when it was tough, even when my mind was playing tricks on me, I made the right decision. Now, I'm not gonna be perfect. I know I'm gonna probably fall off here and there, but overall, 95% of the time, I will make the right decision, and you can as well. Do not let that mind screw you over. I'm telling you, do not take those thoughts at face value. So I know I went all over the place in this video, guys. That was the point of it, because a lot of us, you know, real life isn't like a YouTube video. A lot of us think everything's so structured, point by point, bullet point by bullet point. Keep it so organized. In real life, when you're facing a decision, it's never organized. It's hectic. And that's why I just made this video and turn this on. So hopefully this adds some value to you and you kind of get a better understanding that I'm not perfect and I'm as screwed up as the next guy, and I'm just trying to do the best that I possibly can to make the right decisions, and hopefully this inspires you. So with that being said, I'm going into the gym. I'm going to make the right decision. Let me know in the comments, guys, how this video served you. Was there something that you weren't going to do today? Something you were going to put off, but this video made you realize, you want to know what? If Steve's been dealing with problems, I could deal with it too, and I could get past it. Let me know, guys. Appreciate you. Much love.